Y'all ready? What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Jorge, and we do not have the G8 here, but there's a good reason for it, because today we're gonna go pick that G8 up. It is actually getting some interior work done, so hopefully we can get it picked up, show you guys exactly what I did in the interior, and then later on in this video talk about what the future plans are for that car, and you guys might be a little surprised. I also have the SS, and like I told you guys, this SS is something that we're going to start working on here in 2019, so keep an eye on the end of this video of exactly what we do with this car as well. So for now, guys, let's go ahead and go pick up the G8. It's getting a little darker here, and hopefully everything came out great. They've already sent me pictures of how it looks, so can't wait to see it. But for now, I'll see you guys at the G8. Alright, guys, we are here, and there is the G8. So we got, what we ended up doing here is getting the headliner redone, along with carpet and padding and stuff, because apparently these door seals were leaking a bit, and so we needed to go ahead and replace some of the carpet, which got wet, and the padding, and it was kind of getting a little moldy. So we went in and had that all clean, and the guys here at Nitrous upholstery said, "What's up, man?"
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, they went ahead and hooked it up and took care of the car. Had it done a couple days, really quick, and let's go ahead and see how it turned out.
Yeah, sure.
All right, so as you guys can see, all this carpet is nice and clean, and even better, the headliner now is completely tucked and not loose. Nice foam padding on it, just like OEM. Perfect. Look in the back. So these seals here, for some reason, and even somewhere in the door, were causing, and maybe even these, I'm not sure which ones, but were causing this carpet to get really, really wet. And so all that had to get cleaned out, and it looks awesome. Awesome. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Man. So car's ready. We're good to go. Take it back home, and then we'll catch up with you guys when we get back home. What's up, guys? Oh my god, I missed driving this thing. Check out this speedo. Check out how quickly this thing accelerates. Y'all ready? Man, I know it's kind of dark in here, and hopefully you guys saw that. I mean, this thing just is a rocket ship. Woo! It just pushes you back into the seat, and oh my god, you just gotta hold on. Just feels so good. And that is just in drive. That is not even, you know, dropping it in gear and giving all that. That's why you see a little bit of that hesitation where it's trying to figure out what am I supposed to do, and it drops down into gear and just goes. Woo. Anyways, I'll see you guys when we get back home and show you guys a little better in some light what they did in the interior. Alright, guys, so we are finally back home. We've got the G8 nice in the driveway. We're gonna put them inside, but first I wanted to show you guys the headliner. I ended up going with factory OEM style on the headliner, and like I said, all the carpet had to get removed. The padding under the carpet was replaced, and everything cleaned up, and the carpet was washed. So they did all of that, and so let me show you guys exactly what they did with the headliner, which looked awesome and feels awesome, by the way. All right, so grab some extra light here. So as you can see here, the carpet got completely cleaned. They cleaned the floor mats, everything is completely cleaned. And then up here
As you guys can see up here is the headliner, and it is awesome. It basically matches the stock headliner, and it is nice and soft, nice and padded, and it is wrapped perfectly all the way around. I mean, it is awesome. Definitely a great job that these guys did. If we go back here looking at the rear, you can see they cleaned everything up. The whole thing was completely cleaned, and it just looks great. I mean, up here on the top, I mean, really great job. If you guys need to get your headliner done, it seems to be a pretty common problem with the G8s is these headliners. If you guys need to get this done, I will link their Instagram down in the description below. Linares Upholstery. If you're here in Houston and you got to get your headliner and carpet and stuff, or any of that stuff redone, definitely hit them up. They did a great job, real quick turnaround. I mean, they can do the headliner in about one day. You drop it off in the morning, be ready by the afternoon. Mine took a couple days because of the carpet. They had to completely shampoo it, clean it, and let it air dry, but everything came out great, and now the car's back home. But anyways, getting back to talking about what the plans are, and you guys might get a little surprised, and I don't know if you guys like that. You guys can let me know down in the comments below, but I think I'm gonna end up selling this car. I've actually already posted it for sale on the Facebook groups, Pontiac J Classifieds, but I think this car is gonna be going, guys. I've had it for a long time. I've done a lot of great things with it. Still has a lot more potential in it, but I'm getting the itch for doing something different, and the G8 is really not doing it for me anymore. I mean, there's not much else I can do without, spending crazy amounts of more money. And if I do that, I'm just gonna be pushing it even more and having more chances for this thing to, mess up and cause more damage and more damage to my bank account. So the plan is to post this for sale. I'm not gonna give it away. I have my price in mind. If I get it, that's awesome. If not, then obviously I'll just keep it. But this is possibly maybe gonna go away here in the near future. But then now we have to come to the SS. So what about the SS, you might be asking? Well, if the G8 sells, then I haven't decided yet, but I might try to keep the SS and just mod it and show you guys a progression going from just all stock SS or car, in this case LS3 motor, and then just doing step by step, doing intake, doing a tune, doing headers, and then eventually possibly doing some type of power adder, whether it be Pro Charger kind of like this or something different. I might try something different, but the Nitrous, whatever the case may be. But that's one option one. So comment down below if you guys like that option. Option 2 is sell the G8 and then trade in the SS and use the G8's money to get something different, like maybe a Hellcat Red Eye or a Camaro ZL1 or ZL1 1LE, or maybe look into what a new GT500 is going to be. I am not sure. Now that would take a little more planning and would definitely take a lot longer, because obviously those cars aren't here. Red Eye, I would have to go in and custom order one the way I would want it. Same thing with the ZL1s and the 1LEs and all that. GT500 obviously is not even out yet or available, so that's going to take a lot longer. The SS, I have that here already, so we can start churning out more videos. So let me know in the comments down below, guys. What do you guys think? Should I do something like maybe go for a new car, trade both of these in, the G8 and the SS, or should I work on the SS and do some mods and go from beginning to something midway extreme with the SS? Let me know in the comments down below. But in the meantime, guys, My name is Jorge, and thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, like it, subscribe, because just because this thing's selling doesn't mean I'm not going to continue to do videos on it. I mean, it's for sale, but it hasn't sold yet, so it's still mine, and I'll still try to go do some videos on it. But just let me know what you guys kind of want to see. I want to try to get into a little bit more car reviews and things like that, but we'll see. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.